Hey there, IT students. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up on your networking knowledge, you're in the right place. Welcome to the ultimate quick guide to web and network protocols. We're about to break down the backbone of the internet and modern communication, so buckle up. Let's dive in and break down these essentials as fast as possible. First up, web protocols. The rules that let your browser talk to websites and fetch all that information you need. Ever noticed how your browser address changes from HTTP to HTTPS? It's a tiny detail, but it makes a world of difference. That S stands for secure. When you see it, your connection is encrypted, which means your data is scrambled so that only you and the website can read it. HTTPS is like HTTP's big brother with a lock, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. It uses protocols like SSL and TLS to make sure your passwords, credit card numbers, and personal info stay private. Without HTTPS, anyone on the same network could potentially snoop on what you're doing. Now let's talk about moving files. Imagine FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, as a basic file mover. It's been around since the early days of the internet, letting you upload and download files between computers. But FTP isn't secure. Your files and even your login details can be intercepted. Enter SFTP, or Secure File Transfer Protocol. It's like FTP, but with a padlock, ensuring your files travel securely over the network. SFTP uses encryption, so your data is protected from hackers and eavesdroppers. See the difference? It's crucial. In today's world where cyber threats are everywhere, using secure protocols is a must. Now let's move on to the foundation of how data actually travels across networks. Picture TCP and UDP as package delivery systems for your data. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, is like a careful delivery service that checks every step, making sure every package or data packet arrives safely and in the right order. TCP is the reliable one, making sure every package arrives safely. It even asks for a signature. If something's missing, it'll resend until everything's perfect. That's why it's used for things like web browsing and email, where accuracy matters. UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, is the speedster. It's faster, but occasionally drops a box or two. UDP doesn't check if every packet arrives, but it's great for streaming video, online gaming, or voice calls, where speed is more important than perfection. How about ICMP? Think of it like a ping signal, checking if a destination is reachable. When you use the ping command, you're using ICMP to see if another computer is online and how long it takes to get a response. It's a basic but essential tool for troubleshooting networks. And ARP? It's the magician converting IP addresses to MAC addresses, connecting devices like magic. When your computer wants to talk to another device on the same network, it uses ARP to find out the physical address or MAC address of that device. Without ARP, your data wouldn't know where to go. Now let's talk security protocols. SSH, or Secure Shell, is your go-to for secure remote logins. It's like opening a terminal window with a secret key, letting you control servers from anywhere in the world without worrying about someone spying on your session. SSL and TLS, they're the ones behind that secure lock handshake you see online. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, and its successor TLS, or Transport Layer Security, encrypt your data as it travels between your browser and a website. This is what keeps your online shopping and banking safe. IPSec is another security superstar. It wraps data packets in a security blanket, protecting communications between devices, especially over the internet. IPSec is often used for VPNs, creating secure tunnels for your data to travel through, even on public Wi-Fi. And then there's Kerberos. It's like a ticket-granting wizard, ensuring only the right users access the right resources. Kerberos uses tickets to prove your identity, so you don't have to enter your password every time you access a new service on a network. And there you have it. We've just covered the essentials, from web browsing to file transfers, from data delivery to security, all in record time. That was a rapid tour of essential web and network protocols. These are the building blocks that keep our digital world running smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Remember to hit that subscribe button for part 2, where I'll unpack DNS, DHCP, VPN, and more. We'll go even deeper into the world of networking, so don't miss it. Catch you later.